हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मैं रत्नाकर पांडे फिर से स्वागत करता हूं अपने चैनल बनारसी रिएक्शन में। तो भाई आज हम करने वाले हैं अनबॉक्सिंग इस मैगसेफ एप्पल चार्जर की। तो आई नो कि भाई पूरा यूट्यूब पटा पड़ा है इनकी अनबॉक्सिंग से और इसमें अब कुछ नया एंड इंटरेस्टिंग रहा नहीं। बट क्या करें, द अवेलेबिलिटी इज़ द मेन इशू। अब मैं जहाँ पे हूँ वहाँ के एप्पल के जो रीसेलर हैं प्रीमियम, उनके पास स्टॉक की कमी है, कहीं अवेलेबल नहीं है। फाइनली मुझे टाटा क्लिक पे ये दिखा, बट टाटा क्लिक पे शॉपिंग करना इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा सा हसल, बिकॉज टिल 4 days आई डेंट गेट एनी अपडेट वेयर इज़ माई ऑर्डर। इट वॉज सपोज टू डिलीवर्ड ऑन दी 19th बट आई गॉट इट टुडे। तो आई एम गोना डू द अनबॉक्सिंग हियर, सो लेट्स डू इट। So it's just a simple pull tab behind like the normal chargers, and okay, this up and you just pull the charger and it comes out. Let's keep it aside. First see if something is there. Okay, pustikaएं, it's pustikaएं. Cool, so there are pustikaएं. So let's keep it aside and unbox the charger. So dun, 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 dun. Wow, okay, so it's a nice and good packing. You can see this is the C port. So luckily I had the C port adapter of Apple which I got with my iPad Air 4, so not an issue. Chalo, let's take it outside. So how we take it, it's a nicely packed. तो फर्स्ट लेट टेक द वायर आउट। तो ये क्यों आई अप्रूव्ड है, एंड दे से इट विल बी गिविंग द 15 वॉट का मैक्सिमम आउटपुट टू द सेल फोन्स। एंड हाउ वी टेक इट आउट, कम ऑन एप्पल, ओके यू जस्ट slide it, you don't have to pull and you slide it. Cool, nice. I have a Fossil Gen 2 का watch charging cable and it look very much same like that, and the wire looks like 1 meter or more than 1 meter. I think it's 1 meter का wire with it and 50 watt charger. So first check the how quick and how strong it is. So first I'm gonna check with the MagSafe case. So yes, it's strong. Let's do the strength test. Da, 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 da. Okay, it's nicely stuck here, and now let's see whether it's work or not. So let me put it into the brick. Cool, and yep, it's charging nice and strong. So suppose you keep it and you place it, it's perfectly placed on the magnet. Okay, it's working great with the cover. Let's see how it's work without the cover. So I'm gonna take this cover out. Cool, so you can see a ring, it's visible now. I don't know whether you can see it, but see, this is because of the case, so it's leaving the mark on the body. This is one thing I realized. And let's check with the MagSafe. Oh, it's nicely fixed on it and strong. You just roll it, not an issue. You want to use with the charger, you can use it, not bothering you anymore. It says Face ID. Chalo, Face ID is unlocked. Dang, 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 dang. And you can use it while the charging. Cool, let's check it whether it works on the third party cases. So I have put my grip ka case into it, and no, it's charging, that's okay. but the strength is not there. So it's working like a wireless charger, but the strength is not there. So if you see, if I keep it down and I just place it, it's very loose fitting, but it's charging. That's the good point. So if I hold it, see, I can not hold it with the wire. So it's charging, but the magnets are not working because of the cover. That's why they have magnet strip in their clear cases. This is my Fossil ka charging cable. So let's check whether it can charge my Fossil watch Gen 2, and these are my AirPods. So let's go with it. Okay, it's not aligned, so I guess it's not charging. Is it? Cool, no sign of charging. Chalo, fail. Now let's try with the AirPods. Boom, it's charging. So it's good to see that it's charging the AirPods too. And 15 watt is max to max output, but not for AirPods. So I have to Google it and find out whether I can charge with this or not. But since Apple gave a C port cable for this AirPods 2 and minimum watt is 20 watt break for C port, so I think there should be no harm to my AirPods and I can easily do it. Cool, looks nice, looks good. Cool, so this is all for the today. And yeah, it's a nice piece, but I don't think it's required, and I don't think I'm gonna use it a lot because I don't like fast charging. I always keep it the normal one because I believe that more fast charging can cause the battery damage, which I don't want. So this is the Apple MagSafe for you guys. Chalo, good night, bye for now.